Hello everyone, welcome to AMS. Today in this video we are going to simplify a condition, and the given condition is sine whose angle is cos inverse 3 over 17 over 2, and we are going to simplify this condition in this video. For this purpose we should consider first cos inverse 3 over 17 will be equal to x. Now this cos inverse will move to the other side of the equation. As a result we will get cos x is equal to 3 over 17. Right? Now, as we know that from basic formula of trigonometry, cos x is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square x by 2. Right? And when we compare both this equation, we will get 1 minus 2 sine square x by 2 equal to 3 over 17. Now in the next step, we should arrange this equation as 2 sine square x by 2 equal to 1 minus 3 over 17. How? Simply this minus 2 sine square x by 2 will move to the other side of the equation, which is the right side of the equation, and convert from minus 2 sine square x by 2 to 2 sine square x by 2, which having a positive sign. And this 3 over 17 will move to the other side of the equation and convert into minus 3 over 17. As a result, we will get on the other side of the equation as 1 minus 3 over 17. Now, in the next step, we should simplify this side of the equation by taking LCM, and we will get 17 minus 3 over 17 on the right side of the equation, and the left side of the equation will remain same. Now, in the next step, we should simplify this equation as 17 minus 3, which is equal to 14, and this 2 will go to the other side of the equation and will multiply with this 17 in the denominator. As a result, we will get 34. And now the next expression will be sine square x by 2 equal to 14 over 34. Now again we should simplify this condition by dividing denominator and numerator both from 2. As a result we will get sine square x by 2 equal to 7 over 17. Now in the next step we should take square root on the both side of the equation, and we will get sine x by 2 equal to plus minus under root 7 over 17. This is the simplified form for this sine x by 2, which will be equal to plus minus under root 7 over 17. Now in the next step we should take this condition, which is sine whose angle is cos inverse 3 over 17 over 2. And from our supposition, as we know that cos inverse 3 over 17 is equal to x. So here we replace this value from the x. As a result, we will get sine x by 2. And as we know that from our simplification, sine x by 2 is equal to plus minus under root 7 over 17. So here we replace this value from this value. And as a result, we will get plus minus under root 7 over 17, and this is the answer for this expression, or this is a simplified form for this expression. I hope this video will be very useful to all of you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.